Hello students, this particular video students is more to do with how do you manage or address the uncertainty. The examination postponement which was announced by the ICAI 2 days back, it is sure that the students may easily go off track. So it is important that students, the momentum should not be lost. So I'll share with you some simple and some small thoughts that definitely would be productive, would be fruitful for all of you to stay on course as far as your examination is concerned. Prior to that, the dream team announcement, students, and just do it. You are also aware of this one. The batch is for the students appearing for November 21, but so far as direct access is concerned, my paper, the batch which I am going to start from 12th of May would be for May 22 attempt and onwards. In this particular dream team batch, students, you will find the star faculties, all these star faculties for every subject who are going to take you through towards this particular paper in the most comprehensive and decisive manner. Believe me, no stone will be left unturned by any one of us. And personally for me, as I told you, we will ensure to cover up direct tax in the most exhaustive way. And I can tell you that once you're done with this, you'll be very confident about the subject, not only as far as your examinations is concerned, but also to make a very meaningful career in the field of direct tax and international taxation law. Students, my suggestion would be for all of you to take up 1 year subscription, which would be for 15,500. You can use this code CADS. By virtue of this code, you get 10% flat discount. So therefore, it will be somewhere around 13,000 and some odd amount. Second part is that, students, by subscribing for the second group, you get the access of the entire 4 papers which are there in the second group. So that is the best part of this particular entire scheme of the subscription. So please take for 1 year subscription, applying this particular code, and I'm telling you, this would be the huge savior for all of you in terms of your doing your CA final preparation in the most comprehensive manner, and at the same time also cost effective manner. Students, now in this context, see this uncertainty which I was talking about it. Suddenly the moment the feature which is there like this, that till the time you didn't knew that the examination was going to be postponed, each one of you were completely focused about their examination. What is happening outside outside your home, or maybe across the India, we can say, is a very explosive situation. Chances are very high that you may be tempted to go through those particular news channels or some WhatsApp and all, or any other links. So it may be quite fascinating, or you may have a curiosity about these day-to-day events. But believe me, students, whatever hard work that you have done up till now will get ruined completely if you get distracted with all these things. So stay focused, be focused, stay on the course. And one way to do it is this way. Students, my suggestion is that whenever you have to go for a long haul, now assuming that your examination would be somewhere in June or July is more likely, try to ensure that next you take up the short-term goals. Short-term goals are more important than the long-term goals at this stage. At least for the month of May, I can just say to all of you, till the date are announced. See, once the dates are being announced by the ICAI, again the pressure will get built up. So you need not be told what to be done. But till that thing happen, students will be very much in a relaxed mode. And this is what you need to avoid. When I say a short-term goals is that, like 3 days, you'll take it and you will try to finish up, say, this percentage of a syllables of a particular paper. So that way, by having those 2 days or 3 days goal, and thereafter how to achieve those targets, then you do a split further, subcategorize further, and then launching yourself for the next 3 days. Once you achieve it, go for the next 3 days, another goal. That is how you need to build up, students, for this entire month of May, or I can say entire month of May, or the ICI announcement of the new dates, whichever is earlier. You need to do it in this particular manner. Are you getting this particular point? Now, one thing also I should say to you is that, students, when you start your study day, first 1.5 hours or 2 hours, first 1.5 hours and 2 hours, take up the simple topic. Why is it so? Because that will give you the momentum. And once you get that momentum, then switch to the difficult topic. So, but the simple topic should not be for more than 1 hour consumption, so that a simple topic itself you have wasted a lot of time. Should not be the case. So start the day with a simple topic so that you get the momentum of coverage of your of your subject, and then take up the difficult ones. And try to end your day again by a small simple topic. So always have a 3 particular course of your study line defined. 1 hour, first 1 hour, simple topic. In between you can deal with the difficult topics, and again you can please end up your day with a simple topic, so that you started with something that you've finished and you're ending the day also with something that you've finished, and that will give you a tremendous confidence for the next day. So have the short-term goal, students, till the time the announcement has been made, or as I told you, or the month of May, whichever is earlier. ICI should give you the announcement of the revised dates when, by say 15th or 20th of May. But let's see, we cannot predict anything, but just stay focused, students, and therefore what is more important and what is required, stick to your short-term goals. In the uncertainty times, if you think long-term, you may easily get distracted, you will start giving it up, you will get attuned to the surroundings and your happenings. Please don't get into this trap. Fine, students, see you then, take care.